Hey everyone, I'm here with Any Day. My name is Taryn McCallan. I'm an actor, I'm not a cook, but I'm gonna be showing you that these recipes are really great, they're really easy, and they're very short. So for today's meal, we have instant ramen, which I'm very familiar with. I was in college not too long ago, and I still eat a lot of instant ramen. We have our medium deep dish Any Day right here. We have our water right here, as well as our eggs, which look delicious. And we have some pork right here. I am a vegetarian, so by the time that comes in, we'll be calling in Josh to try it because I'm sure it's gonna be really, really good. And then of course, we have our scallions. And finally, we have a slab of American cheese. Real simple. We're going to take our package. I'm gonna place our noodles in. We're gonna open these packets up, try to evenly distribute it. We're gonna be pouring our water in. Again, this will help really dissolve everything that's in there. Cool. So we have all of this prepared, and you might be thinking, okay, time to put the lid on. No, actually, we can keep the lid off for this one. So we can pop this right into the microwave for 3 minutes. Now, while we're cooking, I think it's a great time to talk about how cooking ramen has always been easy, and with those styrofoam cups, I don't know, there's just an element to it that just felt maybe a little gross and not the most inviting or appetizing, but this recipe, this setup, just makes something easy that much easier. Ooh, perfect. Looks so good. Wow, 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 man, that smell. Now that we have this, we're able to grab our cheese over here. So we're gonna be able to put this right into our bowl. You can put it right there on the top. And we're going to grab chopsticks. Hold on, I'm gonna try my own way. It's kind of like this?
Can we find a fork, please?
Oh, okay. See, thank you. See, they knew that I was gonna be bad at that. But now that we have a utensil that I can actually use, we're going to mix this cheese into the noodles. I'm actually gonna grab my mitt right here so that I can hold the bowl to make sure everything's steady. Wow, that's really quickly, the cheese is just disintegrating and really melding well with the noodles. So now that we have this, we can jump into some of our things that we're gonna be placing on top. So we're gonna have to grab these delicious eggs, and we're gonna see if this fork now is gonna become an issue for me. Oh, no, there you go. Cook, all right. I could be cook. Now we can add some of our pork. A good way to place this is kind of just like this. And again, I am a vegetarian, so I'm gonna have somebody from the crew come try it. But before we get to that, we're going to grab these little bits of scallion and garnish on top of the meal. Now that it is complete, we can have someone try it. So I was thinking, Josh, here he is, everybody.
You said you're vegetarian?
I am.
Do you know I stayed up all night making this for you? This pork belly? Only to find out that you're a vegetarian this morning?
And I appreciate you so much more for that.
I appreciate you for letting me eat. I'm gonna do a proper slurp too.
Oh.
Does sound okay?
Sound is good. Just make sure you don't touch your chest because your mic is there.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Make sure, just keep your hands away from your
Yeah. Got it.
And resume slurp.
Oh, all right. Those are good sounds, folks. Yeah. Savor it, right?
They say the louder the sound, the better the taste. And it's very true.
I love
It's
that.
delicious. Thank you, Taryn. That's delicious.
Thank you so much, Josh. That is our recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that would be really, really amazing. Please check out our website at cookanyday.com for our hundreds of recipes. There's so much there. Again, my name is Taryn McCallan, and I hope to see you again sometime soon. Take care and enjoy your meal.